Tuesday, June 11th. Let's go check in and see what Dad's up to. So, what are you guys working on today?
I gotta thread this rod for the throttle control.
Oh, okay.
We just got started because I got my teeth cleaned and
Good.
I'm waiting for ducks to call.
Okay.
There we go, that's all nice and straight.
Just a minute now.
Yeah.
Put your hands in your pocket for a time being. Very hyper this morning.
Too many coffees.
Okay, give it a little shot like that once in a while. Go ahead. Go.
So about 3 turns and then back?
Yeah. Just back a half a turn and keep going with that. This is what our neck looks like here, Ralph. We took that out, eh? And this is sheet of aluminum.
Oh, right.
All fastened in so it can be removed.
Okay.
And then it's painted, sanded, and painted twice more for grip. So
Oh, did you do that this morning or?
Yesterday afternoon.
Oh, okay. So Dad's got another airboat here he's still got to work on, but raining all morning. And there's Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog. And Mila.
Didn't have breakfast yet.
Oh, well. And there's our old dog, Charles, in charge.
Did I tell you about the ruffled grouse and 10 little chicks?
No?
He's right in the driveway there
Okay.
in the bush. Or, you know, we're bush on each side.
Yeah.
And Kitty's out there flicking these little guys over. So I picked up the little chicks, put them in the bush, carried Kitty over to the Jeep, and he was mad at me, but I put him in there for a couple hours and then he was good.
Okay.
Gotta kill or chase anything there is around. Right, Mila?
Yes, Uncle.
Is this good stuff? No, just a minute. Mila's always very appreciative. You gonna shake? Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Nice to have breakfast in the morning. Did they feed you lots, or did they feed you at all? Just send you next door? Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, throttle control. What else are you waiting on here or doing?
A throttle control and the brake.
Okay.
Get that hooked up today. That put the pipe in for the heater hoses.
Okay.
You know, so they don't smash tonight. I can put the floor in
Okay.
and the shifter.
Okay.
So if I can get that stuff in today, then tomorrow I'll go and see about
Axles.
axles.
Okay. So, raining all day. This is what Dad's working on here. He's only got one helper here today, the Quebec Highlander. And by the pipe for the hoses, he's talking about these hoses here. When they put down the floor, he wants to protect those hoses so they don't get pinched. And he still has some work to do here with the dash shifter and closing up the front there. And but everything else is done back here as far as I know.
We got these on, nice fit.
Ooh, okay, yeah, right.
You gotta wire that on you.
Yep. So,
And this,
I thought we were putting that on the other one.
no, the exhaust is here. That's where all the heat
Oh,
is.
right, yeah,
So
okay.
there's no use pulling it across that way when the heat's right here. We'll just take it out from this side.
Okay. So we got these from Summit Racing, and I think they're a 17-inch fan.
Yeah.
And he just fixed them on the door, and they're ready to go.
If I hook that up to the battery and you have a cigarette here, you would see how much,
Oh, yeah. No, we've seen them on the other
you'd see
Bombardiers.
how much air. I'm gonna hook one up just so
Okay.
you can see. You notice that green is ground and the red is positive.
There you go.
For those that are celebrating the Julian calendar. You can hook them up one way where it pulls,
Yep.
or the other way it pushes, eh?
There you go.
Now that looks to be the wrong way.
Yep. Uh-huh.
It's going to be wired into a switch that you can put it on and off at the dash.
Dash there. I think he's already got a hole here for it.
I think the switch is already there.
Door fan right here.
I'll be putting one of them fans on that Bombardier because that thing overheats at the back of the hill.
We're gonna get clean the dash after and get the decal maker
Yeah.
and mark everything.
Yeah. Okay, so that's your update for today, guys. And Dad's just going to continue on with his tasks, but ready to go.
Noon, we're just starting.